I can only imagine what it will be like when I'm home by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Sing it, surrender. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel when I dance for you, Jesus? Or in order to be still when I stand in your presence? But to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. Sing with us. I can only imagine when the day comes and I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I will do is forever worship you. I can only imagine. Church, can you imagine? I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in order to be still, will I stand in your presence? But to my knees will